Hey guys, how you going? Welcome to Kiwi Game Tech. My name is Duncan, and today we're going to be having a look at this phone, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. I'll be having a look at this phone, and we'll be doing the unboxing of this phone, plus all the accessories that I bought along with it. After that, I'll be doing a follow-up video to show you how it looked, or how the features were after about 1 to 2 weeks of testing. So let's get into it. So first up, we've got the Momax supercharger. This is the 100 watt 1.2 meter USB-C to USB-C PD. So the fast charging cable, and it says here 100 watts. So this was actually sent to me separately. Out of all the stuff I ordered, I don't know why they didn't just send everything together, but here's what it is. So that's the cable, and here we can actually open it up, see what it looks like. And so 100 watts, I reckon, okay, this is going to charge the phone quickly. Then I saw the charger box, and it says travel adapter. Okay, 45 watts. So you've got a cable that handles 100 watts. The charger is 45. Why didn't they just make a 100 watt travel adapter? That's a good question, and I don't know the answer to it. So yeah, that was pretty crappy. One thing I will say about the phone is you have to buy all these accessories. I thought, you know, paying all this money for these new phones, they're more expensive, and you don't get an adapter, you don't get the cables, you don't get anything with, so hence buying all these accessories. So I thought, oh okay, I'm spending all the money on these phones, let me get all the protection too. So here we've got the camera lens protector, and it says watch our installation video. So I'll be doing that as well, and hopefully no hiccups. So I'll test it out for you guys, and then you can have a look at the video. So that's just the Spargen, or the Spigen. Spigen sounds a bit weird, so I'll say Spargen. That sounds pretty cool. So I don't know that brand, but let's check that out there. I'll put that with the pile. And then we've got the Ultra Hybrid cover. So this is the protector for the back of your phone. I've had one of these before. It's pretty cool. I think it's worth it. It wasn't too expensive. This one just says Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, the Ultra Hybrid. So we'll have a look at that one as well. And then as a bonus, I got a Samsung watch. So this is why you got to look out. It's worth to pre-order. This watch is about $400. So 4,000 Rand, $400 for this watch. And if you just get the phone, you get nothing with it. But if you pre-order it, you can get these extras with. So I'll be testing out the Galaxy Watch 4 as well, and see how that goes. So we'll let you know. And just to let you know, this is not the phone. This is my Galaxy S9. Really love this phone. It served me very, very well. So I'm looking forward to testing out the new Galaxy S22 Plus. Why didn't I get the Ultra? I don't feel it was worth it. I think this was the best value for money. So look at that little light going on there. Pretty cool. Bring it up to the camera, let's focus, and that's the Galaxy S22. So yeah, still sealed. So we're going to do the unsealing now and check all these products out. Okay, so here we have the products, and let's get cutting into them. First up, let's check out this cable. So that's that 100 watt cable. Let's cut it open. See what we've got inside. So, do we need to cut it? No, we can actually just open it up. There we go. There's a little cut here we can do. Here we go. I've got my old little Fitbit on here, so we can get rid of that soon. this up. Boom, boom, boom. Wonderful, exciting. Pop that in the tray. There's your little Momax. 100 watts. It makes a difference. So, e-marker built in, whatever that means. Power delivery, PD technology. So yeah, just your cable. It is important though, because if you've got the old cable, it's not going to get as close to charge as you should. So maybe 25 watts, I think, the old cables. So yeah, that's cool. You can use this cable. Right, that's that done. Next up, the adapter. So this is the travel adapter. We're gonna need this for charging, and let's cut this open. There we go. Love this knife. Let's get that open here. I always keep my stuff neat and together so that if I do ever sell it, it's all neat. Keeping the original boxes. Oh, here we go. Here's a cable with it. Okay, and I'm guessing this one should be compatible to 45 watts if they're selling it with the charger. So why do you need to buy the extra cable? Because it's 100 watts? Fair enough, but this only goes 45, so super fast charging. Let's see what they say here. 12 amps, 240 volts. Yeah, this is something we'll have to test. I do wish that these guys would not just put it at the top. It would be nice to have USB-C on the top and the side so that you could choose which way you want to do it. But anyway, that is the little fast charger with the cable. What's up next? So let's have a look at this. From SpyGen. Sounds all fancy. Let's open that up like a savage and bring it out. So that's done. Open this up here. Just savage your way into it. And to be expected, that's the cover. So you've got the spots for the phone lens. So you got to remove that film. So that's an obvious, but obviously they're putting it there because people don't think it's that obvious. So that's the cover, which I think is essential. And the lens protector, of course, which is also essential. So you can open this one up, don't need the knife for that. I don't know if I'm going to be more excited about the phone or the watch, probably the phone. But oh yeah, these little things, lens protector. Open this up. Right. Standard little lens protector with some instructions. Okay. And we've got that inside here. Which is cool, some protection for the lens protection. And there we go. So that's what it looks like. Little lens protector. It's pretty sweet. Almost getting to the phone. Let's do the watch. I do need a new watch, and printed in Vietnam. Wonderful. Let's open this up. Trusty knife, and might as well do the top as well. Let's see that. Let's bring this open. Boom. So there's the watch, looking pretty fancy. And I do know that you can download all sorts of skins for it, so you don't have to have this standard little thing. What is in here? Whatever it is, come out wherever you are. Let's take it to the next level. Right, bit of twisting and turning to get this part out. And what's in here? Oh yes, we are going to need this. Thank you for including that. We can pull it out. Some more cables. USB charge for the watch, which obviously we're going to use. I wonder if you can use this fast charge cable for everything. Oh my goodness, look at this thing. Okay, that is interesting. Way to charge the watch. Right, haven't seen that before. Check it out in case you missed it. So here we go. That's the charging cable. And then we've got this. So yeah, that's pretty funky. Quite different to my Fitbit. What else we got in this box? Let's throw it out. What's in here? And that's it, nothing else. Okay, usual Samsung warranties and whatnot, which is actually worthwhile to get it out. Oh, another point I wanted to bring it up. Screens, you used to get 2 free screens on your phone. These days, do you get it? No. I think maybe 1 free screen in case it cracks. Otherwise, you just throw your phone away because it's going to be too expensive to fix. Yeah, so that's that. So let's pull out, make these separately. This for the charger, I'm not going to use because I bought that cable specifically for it. So we will test that out. We will test this out for the phone. I don't want to squash it. Actually, let's take out the phone itself. I haven't really checked that out. I'm showing you guys. So that's the phone. Not the phone, the watch. Ooh, that looks quite fancy at the back. Back looks fancier than the front. But yeah, it looks quite smart. And now I understand why they've got that sort of charger. I'll put that back in. And there we have it. Now we've got finally, that's all the accessories. So let's have a look at the phone itself. I've been waiting a while for this. So here we've got the ceilings. Do not accept if that's been broken. Well, it hasn't been until now, because now it's knife cutting time. So slice there, and a nice slice there. We'll do this and put it over here. Let's open it up. Ooh, now that looks nice and inviting. Really smart. Do not want to drop that. But yeah, that looks smart. Let's open it up. Don't want to drop it. Ooh, got a bit of weight. I felt my S9, that's quite a bit heavier, I would say. See where my phone is. So if I'm holding the S9, it's got a bit of weight, a lot smaller as you can see, but it feels more or less the same, so that's pretty good. It actually feels the same. This S9, which is a lot smaller, is probably close to or as heavy, or even, it could even be heavier than this. Again, those cameras look really smart. But yeah, that's the phone. That's really cool. I'll put that down there for now. And let's have a look here. What have we got here? Okay, that's to open it up, put your card in. All the little bits and extras in here, and of course another cable. So was this a con? I mean, you can charge your phone into your computer with this cable. You have to buy another charger, but the charger comes with that. So this will be what I'm testing, guys, is all these accessories, seeing if it's worth it. What's the difference between the 45 watt and the 100 watt? Do you already see it? Do you notice the difference using this cable versus the standard cable, which is this one over here? So that's the questions I'll answer for you guys. So be sure to follow the channel, and for more information about the S22 Plus and the accessories, well then follow the channel, subscribe and like this video, and watch out for the next one in a week or two. I'll be posting accessories. Cheers.